Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share unbiased electronics gadget store reviews with you guys. In this video, you will get to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Guys, this video will help you to decide whether you should buy gadgets from this website or not. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that they are offering multiple gadgets such as iPhones, MacBook, Google Pixel Book, HP Elite Book, iPad, Samsung Tab, Canon SLR camera body, Sony PlayStation and so forth. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that electronics gadget store accept several payment options depending on the customer's convenience, especially foreign customers. Also, the availability of payment option is dependent on the units of customer's order. Friends, now let's check the delivery information. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time is directly stated. Once the order is placed and payment is made before 2 p.m., the items will be dispatched same day and will be delivered at your doorstep within 48 hours. Apart from this guys, here we can notice that shipping charges are not disclosed in the delivery information section, as the shipping charges are calculated during the checkout time based on the client's location. Now let's have a look on return refund policies, as they play a very crucial role while buying gadgets from e-shops. So here we can see that if the product received is in faulty condition, then a buyer can return it within 28 days. And if the product is in non-faulty condition, then in such a case the product can be returned within 1 month of the purchase date. And guys, talking about cancellation policy, so here we can see that no such information is disclosed by electronics gadget store regarding the order cancellation. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, electronics gadget store uses HTTPS connection. Therefore, the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is a positive sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 29th August 2019. Now, let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official website you will see that there is a separate section for contact us, where company's address, its WhatsApp number and an email ID is provided. And guys, in my endeavor to cross check the validity of the contact details, I found that the information provided here is exactly correct, which is a positive sign. But apart from this guys, electronic gadget store lacks presence on social media platforms such as on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and so forth. And talking about the electronic gadget store reviews guys, so here on the official website you will observe that there is a separate section for customers feedback, where majority of the customer reviews are positive. And addition to this guys, over the internet mixed customer reviews are accessible, which indicates that electronics gadget store is quite popular among people. And addition to this friends, the images of the gadgets over the website are unique. Also the content over the website is 100% original. So guys, points such as availability of company's address, its contact details, positive customer reviews, popularity among people and so forth let us to believe that electronics gadget store is a trustworthy website. So it is a safe platform for all those who wish to buy gadgets online. But still, I would request you all to go through all the details once on your own before you buy anything from this website. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do not forget to share your feedback in the comment section below. Also, do like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay informed and to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys, stay safe.